Here you go, Instagram. You know me, Mark Morris, toldtobebroke.com, showing you how to turn cash into extra money. How many of you guys would like student loan by a minimum $6,000? This is what a student loan was back in 2008. $94,485.92. Got a call, Mr. Morris, if you don't start paying down your student loan, we're going to attach your wages and take your income tax. She got my attention because I was involved in a state issue, and I was using my checks and money from my check and also using money from my income tax to pay for the loan. So pay for all the money I owed the lawyer. So if they had attached the wages and everything from my accounts, I wouldn't have paid it off, so it would have caused more problems. So I ended up, since 2008, I've been paying this student loan off. Now here we are, 2023, it's down to $4,500. Then I listen to Grant Cardone, because I'm an engineer, UC Davis engineering degree, University of San Francisco MBA, licensed engineer, accountant. I took a lot of accounting classes when I was community college and college. I realized, you know what? I want to show people not only how to reduce their student loan. This is, you guys, you do the math. 9,000, 4,000 divided by 13 years. I thought I came out to 62,800 a year. I want to show you how to reduce it by $6,288 a year. But also I realized, you know what? Why don't I just get someone to help me pay that final $4,400? You're saying, what do you mean? Making money is easy. Did you learn since the bank crisis? The government, one person gave one of those banks $13 billion to take over First Republic Bank. Another government, our government, gave another bank $20 billion to take over the First Republic Bank fiasco. What does that tell you? There's trillions and trillions and billions out there. And those banks, they got a call on the phone hotline and they had to negotiate a little. But that's how you have to be. So right now, my check show you how easy to make money. In addition, I want to show you how to pay off your loan. Why don't I just get 100 gamblers to give me $45 and save them $1,000 to $10 losses from the casino? I've seen it. I've seen people drop $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000. So instead of spending that $45 on gas, stay home that day and save yourself $10,000, $1,000 to $10,000. It'll be worth it to them. How about another one? I help 100 people who were going to go to a strip bar. They'll give me $45. Instead, they saved the $400 to $500. They spend on a stripper and and then a stripper ain't gonna fuck you. So why don't you just watch porn? Buy your porn movie, stay home instead of paying $45 for the strip bar, not counting the $400 or $5 you try to throw out there to get a lap dance and the money for the alcohol and stuff. So I'm gonna save somebody $45 in gas money, or maybe that $45 to fee that you would enter out there at the strip club on Artesia Boulevard and Lakewood, if it's still there, over there by the car place. Or why not just help 100 people who go to a club? They spend $45 in a club. They'll send me $45. That'll give me up to $4,500. And then instead of them spending $200 to $600 in the bar, they keep it. And on top of it, you don't wake up in a girl's house like on a 50th floor like I did in San Francisco, and then she won't let you out unless you got to do the deed a couple of times for her to get you to the door. Sometimes, man, I got in them. They didn't let you out, man. I'm like, shit. The BBC's not that good, man. They say, no, you're my new husband. So, hey, save someone a night where you don't have to go out the window. And that's going to up to my final balance of $4,500. I'm going to show this make money. Because there's trillions of dollars out there, but we have to learn how to ask for the money. And like it's ASPC, and people call it begging, but at least you're gonna beg, hey, I'm gonna give you enough in return. I just said, do you want to keep your $1,000, $10,000 to the gamblers? Giving you $45, doesn't their gas money, food you would eat in the casino that night? Give that to me. Give yourself a break to keep more money for you next time. Or how about the people who go to the strip bar? You know, hey, give me that $40 interest fee, take a break, save your money for that $400, $300, $400 you would lose at the strip bar for the next time. How about 100 people go to the club? You pay $45 to get into the club. Hey, how about giving me that money and then save yourself $200 to $600 or more, like I did Red Jack Saloon. Make sure that you bring them back to your place. Like I said, don't go to their place because they'll lock you down, man. They gonna let you out. You say, you're gonna have to deliver. Say, hey, You make it tough. You're like, I want to get out. Come on, bro. You got to deliver. My friend's waiting. Oh, boy. So, yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. So, $400. That's what I'm going to raise. And then, guys, for some of you guys, if I also have another program. If you want to just send me $100, I'll give you the skills I use to pay off my student loan. Student loan, here it is right here. Let's verify it. $94,485.92 down to $4,500. Now, so right now we're working, so you can send $100 to the same place. You can send the $45, man. Do you want to pay off your student loan? If you don't pay your student loan up, let me tell you, they're going to tax your wages, they'll tax your income tax. You're going to pay a higher interest rate. So someone with great, just medium credit will get a 10% credit card. Say they spend $10,000, they get charged only $1,000 in interest. On the other hand, if you have bad credit, they give you the 25% on that $10,000, and you end up paying $2,500. That's a $1,500 difference. I mean, that's a price of a price of an apartment. So you're basically paying an apartment extra a year, one extra payment on your apartment a year just to borrow the money on that car. Don't let that happen to you. Subscribe. Follow this email. Let's see how fast we can get that $4,500 to show you guys making money is easy. Let's go.